Protein shakes make for a quick, delicious way to add additional protein to our diet, and they make for a convenient meal replacement and dessert. And you can also get very creative with the flavors, just as I've done today with today's flavor, which is a pumpkin spice protein shake. Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am showing you how easy it is to make healthier versions of the foods that we love, including adding additional protein into our diets, as we are going to do with today's recipe, which is a pumpkin spice protein smoothie. Now, the recipe that I'm showing you today, I did not add this particular ingredient to it, although you can, and I have been doing that a lot recently since I have learned about the convenience and the versatility of cottage cheese. Okay, you add cottage cheese to this recipe, it will add additional creaminess and also additional protein. And this is how it's done. To my unsweetened almond milk, I am going to add some vanilla syrup, some pumpkin puree, some pumpkin pie spice, just a pinch of salt, of course our protein powder, and some ice. Put the lid on this and we are going to blend. Okay, this is ready. Now let's go ahead and pour it into our serving container. But we're not done, you guys. I mentioned this homemade pumpkin sauce for a reason, because we are going to make it our own kind of special. And then to top it all off, some more pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it. Now that you see how delicious and easy it is to add additional protein to your diet, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. If you enjoy this recipe, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you know someone that you believe would benefit from what we are doing on this channel, and that is once again bringing healthier versions of the foods that we love, then also please do consider sharing my channel with them as well. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you all right here real soon.